Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to change the ringtone on Redmi 10. First open setting, go to sound and vibration. Okay. Yes, sound and vibration. Next tap on ringtone. Okay, choose your favorite ringtone. Okay, choose anyone. Okay, complete. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye, see you, bye.